YouTube Shorts are making people tens of thousands of dollars a month without ever showing their face, and until recently, no one knew how. In this video, I'll break down exactly how teenagers are making thousands of dollars a day with faceless shorts, including the viral niche they're using, and how you can create your first video today. Now, if you think shorts don't pay, you're absolutely right. Until a few weeks ago. But now, YouTube is increasing the RPM, the money you earn per 1,000 views. Some creators are seeing 60 to 70 cents per 1,000 views. But TikTok pays $1 per 1,000 views. Sure, but it's 10x easier to go viral on YouTube Shorts. That's why people are now making $100K plus a month from Shorts alone. Step 1. Find a viral niche. Most people fail here, so I did the hard work for you. I researched the top-performing niches on Shorts and found one that's completely faceless, brings in millions of views, and some creators are making thousands per video. And the cost? Just $5 per video, even if you outsource the entire thing. Go viral, and that $5 video could bring in 3,000 or more. So what's the niche? Cute animal stories? Yup, those videos of pandas, dogs, and hippos, they're blowing up. Step 2. Understand the algorithm. Let's talk about how shorts actually go viral. It's not luck. YouTube looks for one thing above all else: viewer retention. If people watch your full video, YouTube pushes it to more viewers, and longer videos get prioritized because they keep people on the platform longer. That's why 60-second shorts with great retention beat 10-second shorts every time. Also, likes and comments tell YouTube your video is worth watching. So yeah, that's why every creator asks for engagement. It works. Step 3. Get monetized. Fast. Here's something most gurus won't tell you. You need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million views in 90 days to earn money directly from shorts. And that could take months. But I found a shortcut. There's a website that sells pre-monetized YouTube channels, legit channels that already meet YouTube's requirements. I've used it myself, and it means you can start earning from one video. Not required, but super helpful if you want to reinvest profits quickly. Step 4. The viral formula. Let's break down the exact video formula that gets millions of views. 1. Hook curiosity immediately. Example: this tiny hippo's journey from near death to global fame will leave you speechless. 2. Story. Build out a narrative. For example, Mudang, a baby hippo, was found nearly dead in a river in Thailand. She survived, became a social media icon, and now the entire internet is obsessed with her. Use ChatGPT to help you build out the story if needed. 3. CTA, call to action, in a fun, non-cringe way. Example: tag your Pookie who looks like Mudang. 4. Bonus tip: spice it up with meme clips, interviews, or TikToks about your topic. Remember the guy who dressed up like a hippo on the news? Add clips like that to make your video stand out. Step 5. Make the video. Voiceover. Use AI tools like 11 Labs for ultra-realistic narration. Footage. Grab royalty clips or use Creative Commons animal videos. Editing. Keep it fast-paced with subtitles, zoom-ins, and background music to boost retention. If you follow everything in this video, you'll be able to create viral, faceless shorts that can make you real money, even as a total beginner. Now stop scrolling and start creating.